How to install Python 3.7. Okay, start off at Google and simply type in Python 3.7. Now, it's probably going to suggest download. If it doesn't, add that in. Click on the Python 3.7. There's going to be a list of a bunch of things there to click on. None of them are the download. Scroll to the bottom. Files. You're probably going to want the Windows x86-64. So that's the 64-bit installer. Click on that. Open in the folder. Double click on that. Microsoft might say, hey, you want to get it from us instead? I don't, so I click no. Very, very important. Click on Add Python 3.7 to Path. If you don't do that, installing pygame is going to be much harder. Okay, install now is fine though. Now that's all that's required to install Python. But you're going to want pygame installed as well. So from there, you want to run the command prompt. And you do that by holding down the Windows key on your keyboard and R. That brings up a little run window. And you just type in command, enter. You might type in CMD, depends on the system. Then you type in Python -m pip install pygame. Enter. It should say collecting pygame, downloading all the stuff, and it might tell you that you want to upgrade your pip. You can do that if you want to. It doesn't hurt. -m install -- upgrade pip. Anyways, my upgrade pip failed. That's okay.